Welcome to another video on how to use green screen on CapCut. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, you need to download a green screen image that you want to use from Google. So go ahead and download the image. Once you're done, open up CapCut application and tap on New Project and select the video in which you want to put on the green screen image. Once the video has been added, click on Overlay option from the bottom toolbar and now tap on Add Overlay. After that, select the green screen image that we downloaded earlier. Once the image has been added, you can drag the image from its edge to extend its length. Scroll through the bottom toolbar and select the cutout option. Now tap on Chroma key, tap on Color Picker and pick the green color. Now tap on Intensity and set it to 100. You can also adjust the shadows if you like. Now you can squeeze the image with your fingers and set it to side or wherever you want. That's it. So that's how you can use green screen image on CapCut. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.